Hello and welcome to USA Lucky Number. Today, 25th August 2026, Tuesday, New Jersey Lottery result. Anything can happen in Jersey. Today, your lucky pick 3 with fireball winning numbers are 2, 8, 4, and pick 4 with fireball winning numbers are 0, 3, 4, 4. Again, repeat number. Your lucky pick 3 fireball winning numbers are 284 and lucky pick 4 fireball winning numbers are 0344. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. So viewers, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on notification bell icon so never miss you any of USA lottery result live update. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. We hope you are one of today's winners.